right, we are going to work on math. Lesson 83, on page 165. We are going to start off doing this, and then I'm going to put the projector up for the second portion. So, we are about to lose our flag again. There we go. This guy's coming down. There. All right. Let us work on the story problem, which I was looking ahead. It looks very fun. One of my favorite animals. The Beijing Zoo has many rare Chinese animals. The giant pandas, which are amazing, are the most popular. If a giant panda ate 18 pounds of bamboo on Monday, 23 pounds on Tuesday, 28 pounds on Wednesday, and 20 pounds on Thursday, how much bamboo did it eat in 4 days? What kind of math problem are we going to work out in the workspace? Wenxin. Is it adding, subtracting, multiplication, division? Yes. And then what is going to be in the answer with the word problem, Wenxin? No. Yes. You could do pounds of bamboo if you really wanted to write extra. Thumbs up if you are done. Tessa, what did you get?
18 plus 23 plus 28 plus 20 equals 89 pounds.
Very good. 89 pounds is correct. Very good. All right, so this one is a little trickier. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest amphibian in the world. Each one has 10 back toes and 8 front toes. Okay, so how many toes would 6 salamanders have altogether? So you're going to have 2 problems to work out here. So let's think this out. What would one problem be in your workspace? M.
10 plus 8.
Right. So 10 plus 8 is one problem. What is the second problem going to be? Cole.
18 times 6.
Beautiful. Yes, Winchie. Oh, you're done already. You're speedy.
What if he had 18 toes? That's
Oh.
Yeah, that would be weird.
so freaky. Maybe because the set has each has 5.
It's an interesting creature. I didn't know there was such a thing as a Chinese giant salamander.
Yeah, there was.
What's that?
There is.
Yeah. But I'm not up on my amphibians. I know Cole is.
I've been trying to catch that one for so long.
A giant Chinese salamander?
I've seen one.
Have you been to China?
No, just a plain old salmon.
Oh, just a plain old salmon. Yeah, they're
But I
fast.
can't find any.
We don't really have them here.
We have like one that's all black with blue spots.
In Wisconsin?
It could be pointless.
All right, so who wants to give me the answer? So we decided that 10 plus 8 is what? You can just say that one out loud.
18.
And 18 times 6 is what? Helen? 180? You want to change that answer for 2 points, Helen? Okay. What do you want to change? What do you think, Helen?
108.
There you go. So that's a lot of what? The answer will be 108 what? Helen? Yes. That's a lot of toes.
If we had 18 toes and 6 of us were together, yeah.
That's a lot of toes. All right. Have your markers ready if you want to work on the board. And you need to follow along in your book as well and do the work. If it gets too loud, Jeremiah, you can close the door. I will leave that up to you. I think they're going elsewhere, so I don't think it's going to stay loud for long. Tessa and Jonathan, come on down. Let me get... Make sure you're working on the problems in your book. Jack, have your book on the table, face forward. And how would you say that? Final answer.
2017.
Very good. And how would you say your final answer?
1552.
Very good. There it is. I like my black marker. So many enthusiastic hands up already. So I am not doing the checking, but if you check with addition, you just add from bottom to top and get the same answer. Okay, just so you know. Okay, here we go. Ella and Grant. More time, no worries. You might want to check the 7. Otherwise it's correct for size 7. How would you say that, Ella? Correct. There you go. How would you say that, Grant?
2,800.
Beautiful. 18. There you go. Good job. Way to stick with it. All right, now long division. And then we're going to do some work on the projector. A little higher.
Oh.
Owen and Toby. What are you going to do with that 2? There you go. Very nice. So Toby, you wrote, there you go. You got it before it came out of my mouth. What's wrong? Oh, I'll go over it. Yeah, friends, when you're up on the board, you need to write big so everyone can see. Jeremiah has his glasses on because he can't see. I like the glasses. They look very fun. So I'll go over it with you when Toby is finished. Take your time, Toby. Very nice. But we do need to write bigger. See how big mine are? Can you see my numbers in the back? So that should be your gauge. They need to be this big, just so they can see in the back, okay? But that is correct, Toby. Good job. How many times does 4 go into 8? 2. 2 times 4 is? 8. Minus 8 is 0. Take down the 6. 4. How many times does 4 go into 6?
1.
1 times 4 is 4. So 6 minus 4 is what?
2.
Can I take 4 into 2?
No.
So it is remainder 2. And then 4 times 21 is 84. Wow, okay, that looks like it's 18. I'm going to get rid of that. 84 plus 2 is 86. Very good. How many times does 5 go into 4?
0.
Make sure you write the 0, okay? It's a placeholder. It just helps you know where things are. Otherwise, it's very easy to get mixed up. So zeros, if you need to write a 0, it's a placeholder. What are we doing? So 5 goes into 4 0 times. Take down the 4. Oh yeah. 9 times 5 is 45. So we got a 0. What is 9 times 5? I just told you. 45. And then 46 minus 45 is?
1.
Can I take 5, divide, or multiply 5 into 1?
No.
So it's remainder?
1.
So 9 times 5 is 45. This should be this plus, I don't know what that is, it looks like a minus, plus 1 is 46. Now friends, when you're writing on the board, should we write floppy so we can't understand your writing?
No.
Write clear, write big, because all your friends are looking at your work. So make sure you be respectful and write clearly and big enough for everyone to see, especially our friends way in the back. All right, now what I'm going to do is I am going to get the projector down. And play this.
Calling.
You're going to have to come up with a new.
Okay, I can't
Oh, it's kind of nice. And see, you're able to see really clear. working on the graph on the next page. Cheese, I know, right before lunch, we're talking about cheeseburgers. It makes me hungry.
I don't like Kairos cheeseburger.
Now, Cadence, I don't know how well you're going to see, but you can follow along by what you hear. Okay, let us settle down. Wow, you can really see that nicely.
Yeah.
Very close to me. Holy cow. All right. Return. So, we use the prices on the menu to find the cost of each person's meal. Then choose your own meal and find its cost. Ooh, yummy. Oh, what happened?
It went green.
Oh, this computer. You gotta be kidding.
I'm magic.
Oh man, we are just starting. What is happening? Sorry, friends. Oh, yay. Okay. I got off that fast. Okay, good. So, oh, 9. This is making me so hungry. All right, so Dad had a double cheeseburger, yummy, onion rings, yummy, and iced tea. I can't have onion rings at my house because everyone in my house is allergic to onions.
What?
My husband and both of my daughters, Sophia and Gabrielle, are allergic to onions, so I haven't eaten an onion ring in so long.
Are you allergic to onions?
No, I am fine with onions.
Oh, I thought you were allergic
So
to
I guess if I go out, I can eat them, but I'm in such a mindset that everybody in my household cannot have them. So what you are going to do is you're going to go up here and find a double bacon cheeseburger, not just a cheeseburger. We're talking a bacon double cheeseburger. So that is right here. What is the cost of that?
$8.25.
All right, so you are going to write $8.25 right here. $8.25. Now make sure you line everything up very well. So when you add them, you don't get mixed up. All right, onion rings. Yum. How much are onion rings? I guess I could use this too. How much are onion rings? All right, so you're going to write $3.50 right here. Line everything up. Now, do you have to write the dollar sign after each one?
No.
No. We've already established the one right here. Iced tea. How much is iced tea?
$1.25.
So you're going to write $1.25. And now you are going to add that up. How much money was Dad's dinner? Bacon, double cheeseburger, onion rings, and an iced tea. What is the grand total? Gabe. Beautiful. Now, for your answer, do you need to include the dollar sign? Yes, you do. All right, Mom.
What?
Mom had a cheeseburger. So, move that down. Somehow it got moved up. So, a cheeseburger is how much money? $6.75. So you're going to write $6.75. Oh my! Oh, now I am truly getting hungry. Now she has chili cheese fries. My goodness! So how much are the chili cheese fries? $4 right here. So write $4. then she had lemonade to drink. Why is nobody going for the chocolate milkshake? Come on. Or just- well, it says milkshake, but you know I'd have chocolate. So lemonade is how much money?
$1.75.
All right, so you're at $1.75. What is the grand total of mom?
$12.50.
Very good, $12.50.
Why do we have to talk about this right before lunch?
I know. Well, good thing we're having lunch. We don't have like another hour or so.
Another hour?
All right, so Ethan had a chili cheese dog. How much is a chili cheese dog?
$5.75.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. And French. Oh, Ethan's going for the milkshake. Good job, Ethan. All right, he's also going to have French fries. How much are the French fries?
$2.50.
And then I would go, of course, for the chocolate milkshake. But what? How much is the chocolate milkshake?
$3.75.
And how much is Ethan's grand total?
$12.
12. Okay, $12 is correct. Whose meal was the most expensive? Whose meal was the most expensive, Wensheen? Dad's. All right, now you get to choose what you're going to eat. So you get to go up to the menu and you get to pick 3 things and write it in and come up with your grand total.
This shop is expensive.
I know. It's not McDonald's for sure. It's more of a Culver's.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes me hungry. All right, fine. Write down what you want to eat for lunch.
Is this going to be ordered?
No. In real life? No. I wish I could just magically make all this appear, but I really can't.
We need Genie.
That's right.
We need the Genie. We need the Genie from Aladdin.
Exactly. Or one of Harry Potter's wand.
Yeah. Then when we see a lamp,
All right, friends, less talk and more work. This is math. This is not chatty time. This is math time. Who would like to share what who has it done actually? And like to share what they're going to eat. I am starving.
Do we have to draw a picture?
Yes.
I'm drawing.
We are combining math with art today. Have fun. Live a little. All right, so Ella, what did you choose for your lunch? Ooh, hamburger, which is how much money? Nachos, which sound delightful. How much are the nachos? And what did you have anything to drink? Iced tea. So that is how much? And how much is your grand total? Very good. I have no idea. Mrs. Reed's Magical Kitchen.
Expensive food.
Expensive food. Yes. All right, who else would like to share what they are going to have for lunch? Cole.
The bacon double cheeseburger,
Ooh.
nachos, and a milkshake.
Oh. What kind of milkshake?
Vanilla, because chocolate's gross.
Oh!
What?
How dare you say that in my presence? All right, so friends, he has the bacon double cheeseburger. How much is that, Cole?
$8.25.
And he has the nachos, which is how much money?
$5.25.
And the vanilla milkshake, which is how much money?
$3.75.
And how much is your grand total?
$17.25.
Wow, so far Cole has the most expensive lunch.
It's not coming out of my money.
That's right, it's pretend. It's all pretend. That makes it so much better. I just wish my stomach knew that it was pretend, as it's protesting. Sounds so good. Grant, what did you choose for your lunch?
I had a bacon double cheeseburger.
That's popular.
Nachos and a
What was the second thing?
Nachos.
Oh, that's a popular combo going on here. So bacon cheeseburger, bacon double cheeseburger, excuse me. Nachos, which are how much money?
$5.25.
And what was your drink of choice?
Milkshake.
Oh, you have the same exact meal as Cole. And your grand total is what?
$17.25.
That's an expensive lunch,
Yeah, mine's
but it looks delicious. All right, we can do a few more. Ella, oh, you already did yours. Jonathan, but you could, just a minute, let's get that done after. Jonathan, what did you choose?
A bacon double cheeseburger, nachos, and a milkshake.
So again, how much was yours? I think you need to add yours up again. Did you say the bacon double cheeseburger?
Yeah.
And the nachos?
Yeah.
And the milkshake? I think you need to add it again. Did you add it? Did you get a different number? Because there have been others that, so which makes, what did you get this time? Jonathan? Either Cole and Grant got really ripped off at this diner and you got a couple dollars off, or what was your grand total, Jonathan? What, I'm sorry, what, my alarm went off.
$15.
Work it again, and then I will come back to you. What are you gonna have?
Bacon double cheeseburger, French fries, and a milkshake.
Yum, that sounds delightful. And how much is your grand total?
$14.50.
Okay.
And I want a strawberry.
A strawberry milkshake. All right, Jack, you have a great rest of your day, okay, bud?
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Jack.
Let's see. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you a little time to work on your masterpiece of what your lunch, delicious lunch is going to look like.
Same.
Same.
Already finished.
Well, why are you all working ahead of schedule? Don't do that. So let's take a little time to draw a picture of your meal. That sounds good. Mrs. Reed is starting. Well, you guys should not be working ahead. You are supposed to be working with the class. So when you're working ahead, you're not paying attention to what I'm saying. You're not listening because you are working on your problems ahead of time, which I don't want you to do, okay? But anyways, we can draw your delicious meal. This is for you, like, I don't even like bacon, but that baked double.
Bacon's the best.
Exactly.
You don't like bacon?
No.
Bacon was fun. I still love it.
All right, nice job on math today. That was fun. All
I was
right.
trying to make my cheeseburger.
All right, there's a lot of talking. This is math class. This is not recess. I don't know why everyone seems to think they can just talk. You should either be drawing or just sitting there waiting for the next instruction. But I did not give you the permission to be chatting. This is what I want you to do. Please, everybody listen. You are going to clear your desk and get ready for lunch. That is all we're doing. We're not talking. We're just clearing our desk, please. job today, friends. You had a great math class. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now that I am absolutely famished,
Yeah.
do you want to clean and I'll take them down? All right. Make sure your desk is clean, friends. That needs to be a big, big must because, yes, we are not using the spray. That is much quicker. All right, head on down, McKenna. Stretch up to the milk. Yes.
You should have kept her protected when you put it
Let me know.
Good. Grayson. Helen. Quinsheen and Boy. Oh.
You really ended this class very quickly.
All right, Christian, Emma C, Emma Bloom, your order. Emma, is that a no? Okay.
What is that?
Jeremiah, Emma Grant. Emma Grant. Emma Grant. I'm looking at you. Milk or no milk? All right, we need to be turned around, facing front. I will take more straws. I should not have to say things over and over and over and over. I get tired of saying it. And quite honestly, I'm sure you're sick of me saying it as well. So you know what you need to do, so just do it, please. Jonathan. Olivia. Ella. You bet. That's nice. All right, that's it. Anybody want milk that I did not call their name? All right, we are done with that. This is going to be a great movie watching day because there's no sun glaring in. Nice and dark.
Could you do social studies in the dark?
You have to take a test. I don't think you want to take a test in the dark.
No. That would be fun. No. No.
All right, let me get our math off, unless you guys want to just work on math more.
I'm bored.
That was fun math.
Yeah. Who's watching? Goober. Goober. Wait, what?
That's my daughter. She titled it that. Titled herself Goober. Oof. She's such a goober.
Oh. I would watch the live version.
Oh, they were about ready to kiss, friends. Your favorite thing.
Do it again.
My daughter has finally chosen to see her. Praise Allah! Oh, you pretty boy. Oh, I could kiss you. You two will be what have you?
Nothing gets this group more than kissing. So